I am teaching today LeetCode problem solving. Problem number is 2477. Problem name is fruits into the basket 2. What is the problem statement? They give two array. One first array name is fruit types and another array name is basket. What's the question is the fruit contains the value uh, must place it in the leftmost baskets and the greater than or equal to the fruit type. Okay, the basket can place it in the fruit type the fruits. Okay, only one type of fruits can place it, cannot place is remains unplaced. The question. Okay, the question is they provide two inputs, fruits and basket. uh, Fruit and basket. The fruits must placed in basket and only one type of fruits placed and greater than or equal quantity of fruits. Okay, let's go. I explain. 4 can place it in 3. No, is lesser than lesser. 4 can place it in 5. Yes, is 5 is greater than 4. 2 can place it in 3. Yes, greater than 2. Okay, 5 can place it in 3. No, they are already placed. Also smaller. Okay, 5 can place it in 5. No, they are already placed in 4. 4, you know, the 4 is already placed in 5. Okay, 5 can place it in 4. No, it is lesser than. Therefore, unplaced values, that value is 5. The output is count is 1. Okay, unplaced value is 1. Okay, return one value. Example 2. The fruit basket contains three values, 3, 6, 1s, and another array contains that values. 3 can place it in 6. Yes, 6 is greater. 6 can place it in 4. No, is smaller. 6 can place it in 7. Yes, 7 is greater. 1 can place it in 6. No, already placed. 4 can play 1 can place it in 4. Yes, is greater than 4. Okay, no one unplaced values. A is 0. All placed in the basket. Okay, let's let's move on the coding section. Okay, I write down the first. I declare the size of the fruits. Okay, fruits dot length. Okay, another name is basket. Bas size. Baskets dot length. Okay, and declare two length. One first is fruits length and basket length. After I I de- I declare iteration loop. Okay, first starting to 0. Another is when is in the value fruit size. Okay, condition is I less than fruit size. Next, I write on the loop is fruit basket. I another return another loop is basket. Okay, the condition is J less than fruit basket size. Okay, size J plus plus. Okay, I'll turn the to loop. Out of what I do, what is the condition? First, leftmost basket in capacity greater than or equal the quantity of fruit types. Okay, let's return the fruits. Conditional. If fruits fruits index greater than equal to basket baskets j greater than equal to, then what is greater than equal to, I store in minus 1. When greater than equal to, I store in minus 1. Why? Because where I am is already placed value, I remember to is already placed. I declare when uh, when store that value, when true value, I store minus 1 because I remember that already stored. Okay, basket j minus 1. You can understand this. Why? Because basket already store, already visit the uh, values. Okay, repeat, no, don't again visit unplay only placed values store in the minus 1. Okay, then break the statement. Okay, first I declare in boolean function. Why? Because what is the visited unvisited, how to find? First I am boolean, I declare flag variable declare. First what I do, first I do is return the false. Okay, okay, when meet true, flag true. The when flag means, when flag meet true, it is already meet. What is the my t- my task? They provide task is unplaced value, unplaced value, unvisited numbers. Only count the value. Okay, I I return the not equal to flag. Okay, false, only false value only. I I count. Don't count placed value. I only count unplaced value. Okay, count equal to count plus 1. I declare count. After that I return the value, return the count. Oh shit. Okay, understood. Let's submit the code. Oh shit. Wait a minute. I don't declare semicolon. Accept. Let's go submit. 100% is bit. Okay, now I explain that problem. Okay, now clearly will explain. You can must you will understand clearly. Okay, what is the problem statement is, they provide two array. One is fruit basket and a fruit and a basket. Fruit values must contain is basket is condition is greater than or equal. Only one type of fruits only contains. Don't uh, multiple times contains. Don't care. Okay, only one type, only one type. When condition fails is uh, when it remains unplaced values. Okay, first I do is length of the fruits. Okay, next I declare in basket length. Next I count length. Okay, first I iterative. I return the loop because I fruits. Okay, another loop is basket. For basket, the condition is the leftmost is the fruit greater than equal to basket length. I return that condition. Why I store in minus one? Why? Because place one, I identify the placed values. Why? Because I store in the minus one. When placed minus one, I declare the flag is true. After break the condition, I return all continue reiterate the loop. When that condition is false, after break the loop, after finish the loop, where is the flag is false, unplaced value only count. After return the count. Okay, you clearly explained that problem. You understood that problem. I am happy. Okay, see you tomorrow.